If you're struggling to make money on social media or you want to make more money, then you have to watch this. There is this one powerful tool that you might be overlooking, and that is email marketing. Hey there, welcome back to my channel where I teach the best tips, tricks, and learnings from my 10 years of experience as a content creator turned business owner to help you grow and monetize your social media presence easy and fast. And in 2023, email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools that will allow you to build more trust with your audience, communicate better with them, and sell your products, services, or offers with ease. And on this video, we're gonna be discussing how you can use Instagram as a powerful lead generation tool to build your email list and to make more money. But first things first. What is email marketing and why is it important? Simply put, email marketing is the act of sending an email to a group of people who have previously subscribed by sharing your email with you through a lead magnet or other activities. It's a great way of building more connections, deeper connections with your audience, and at the end of the day, selling out your products, services, or offers and making more money. That's what we all want, right? Plus, with the ever-changing algorithms of social media, especially Instagram, email provides you a stable and more reliable way to connect with your audience without having to compete with any algorithm. These emails can take the form of newsletters, promotional emails, or automated sequences that deliver specific content to your subscribers over time. What I love about email marketing is that it's even more personal than social media because you have a one-to-one conversation just with one person, because it's that specific person who is receiving an email in their inbox, their most private place on the internet. So I already mentioned that in order to start getting subscribers, you need to give your audience something valuable for free. This is usually called a lead magnet or a freebie. And you know that people can be very protective of their emails. I certainly am as well. So you have to make sure that the piece of content that you give them is completely valuable. It's irresistible, an irresistible lead magnet. Now let's take a look at what some lead magnets could look like. The easiest and fastest lead magnets to create are cheat sheets or checklists. This can be a one-page PDF where you give your audience specific instructions about a process they have to complete or things that they have to get or acquire in order to get to a place where they want to. Then you also have guides and PDFs. These can be a little bit longer, maybe a couple of pages, 10 to 20 pages, where you go more in depth about a specific topic. Remember that the lead magnet always has to cover one of the main pain points of your audience and offer a quick and actionable solution. Then there are some lead magnets that are more complex, but at the same time, they will get you better results, better leads. We have to talk about the quality of the leads as well. If you want quality subscribers that can convert into customers, you need quality leads. So you need to be attracting the right people through your lead magnets. Some of the most advanced lead magnets can be video trainings, challenges, maybe a 5 or 7 day challenge, mini courses, and quizzes. The key is to offer something that your ideal audience has to understand, needs to be aware of, or believe in order to want or need your product, service, or offer. So now we've covered what email marketing is and what a lead magnet is so that you can start building your email list through Instagram. Now let's take a look at some of the best email marketing providers. You do need a specific tool that will allow you to collect these emails, save them in a database or a CRM, and send the emails to these people. The first one, probably the most common one, also for beginners, is MailChimp. It offers a free plan for beginners up to 2,000 subscribers, which is amazing if you're just getting started. And it offers a wide variety of integrations with other tools and platforms. On the other side, some people have said that the automations in MailChimp can sometimes be limited and clunky. And while it does offer a free plan, the price will increase as the number of subscribers increases as well. The second tool that you should look into, and it's one of the most popular among content creators and entrepreneurs, is ConvertKit. ConvertKit also offers a great landing page builder and also integrations with popular blogging sites like WordPress. ConvertKit also offers great automation tools, which is a great option for anyone looking to automate their email marketing. And this is something that you should definitely look into at some point. But it tends to be a little bit more pricey than other tools in the market. market. So if you're just getting started on Instagram with your email list, you might want to look at a more affordable option. And once your business starts growing and your email list starts growing as well, you can migrate into ConvertKit. Another popular tool among content creators and entrepreneurs is Flowdesk. I have used Flowdesk and I really liked how easy it was to create a landing page, to automate my emails, and to create the emails as well. It also offers more affordable plans than other tools like ConvertKit. I would definitely recommend it if you're just getting started with your email marketing. I currently use Kajabi, and I really like Kajabi because it's an all-in-one tool that not only offers email marketing, but I also host my courses, memberships, website, and blog there. If you want an all-in-one tool, then Kajabi is your tool. The email marketing also offers a lot of automations, integrations, triggers, which makes it very, very powerful for promotional campaigns. However, I do have to say that Kajabi is a little bit pricey. If you want to try 30 days of Kajabi for free, I am sharing a link on the description so you can get started. And if you have any questions about Kajabi, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. Now, let's move on and see how you can start building your email list and turn your Instagram into a lead generation machine. So you have your lead magnet ready, you've chosen your email marketing provider. It's time to start promoting the hell out of your lead magnet. And there are multiple places where you should be promoting or placing your lead magnet. And we're going to be covering each of these. The first one is obviously your bio. You should add your lead magnet as your main call to action in your bio, and the link in your bio should either go straight to your lead magnet, or if you're using another tool like Stan or Linktree or any other microsite where you have all your links, make sure that your lead magnet is at the top of the link so that when the user goes there, it's the first thing they see and they're going to be more likely to click on it. So link in bio should always be your lead magnet. The second place where you're going to promote your lead magnet is your Instagram stories. At least 2 or 3 times per week, you're going to talk about your lead magnet, but don't just say, oh, I have a new lead magnet, click here to download it. You need to create some kind of curiosity or interest around it. So I would suggest you do a couple of stories first about the topic your lead magnet is and start asking your audience what are their main struggles with that specific topic. Have them interact with you through stickers, through sliders. Second story where you ask them something else and you start building that curiosity. And then in the third or fourth story, you're gonna tell them that you're gonna be solving those specific problems with your new lead magnet. The third placement on Instagram for your lead magnet is on your Instagram highlights. You're gonna create one specific highlight for every lead magnet you create. And all those stories that I just talked about previously, you're just gonna save them in that highlight so that when someone new comes to your profile and maybe you haven't done stories about that lead magnet or there's no content on your feed, which we're gonna be talking about in a minute, they can go through your highlights and they can turn into email subscribers as well. Then you're gonna make sure that at least 20% of your weekly content is about your lead magnet's topic, and make sure that every post has a clear call to action where you invite your audience either to go to your link in bio and get your new freebie, or what I personally do, and this is more of a pro tip that I 100% recommend you to do as well, is use DM automation. By the way, I'll be talking about DM automation in a separate video, but DM automation is basically when someone comments a specific word and that word triggers an automated message through the DMs where you send them a message with a link to the lead magnet. At least 20% of your content, of your weekly content, should be around your lead magnet's topic and drive your audience directly to a specific link, either in the DMs or your link in bio, to download your lead magnet. I actually do this quite often, I would say all the time. Most of my content always had a clear call to action where I want to drive my audience to my email list, because I'm always building my email list through Instagram. The fifth placement where you're gonna be promoting or talking about your lead magnet is through Instagram Lives. You're gonna be going at least once or twice every month. You're gonna be doing a Q&A. Again, the topic has to be related to the topic of your lead magnet. If not, it won't make any sense. Do a Q&A where people are going to be jumping in and asking you questions about that. You're going to answer those questions, but you're also going to tell them, listen, I do have a complete guide or a cheat sheet or a video course, a mini course on this specific topic. If you want it, just go to my link in bio. It's completely free. Download it now, or send me a DM with a specific word, a keyword that you have previously decided, and I'll send you the link to the lead magnet. Lives are a great way of capturing leads because people tend to be warmer. They're more excited. They're in the moment. They tend to react faster and much better. So once or twice every month, you're gonna go live and do a Q&A about the topic of your lead magnet. The sixth placement is going to be your pinned posts on your feed. So as I said, 20% of your content or your feed content is going to be about your lead magnet. And you're going to see that one of those will perform better. It's going to have either more comments or more link clicks. So that's the post that you're going to be pinning to the top of your profile. Again, when someone new comes to your profile and they're checking your pinned posts, they're going to see, oh, this is a great post. It has a lot of comments. It has a lot of engagement. It also has a clear call to action, and it's inviting me to download something for free that I need. They're going to be more likely to either comment a word or go to your link in bio and download your lead magnet. And the seventh placement or strategy is by collaborating with someone else. You can previously arrange a collaboration with a peer from your industry, telling them that I'm currently promoting my free lead magnet. Can we do a collaboration where you help me promote this? In the future, when you're doing something similar, I will do that as well. It's a great way of tapping into their audiences. Remember that it's all about collaboration. It's a collaborative economy. If you have a relationship with them, it's very likely they're gonna say yes. So let's recap again. There are 7 placements where you're gonna be promoting your lead magnet. That is your link in bio, your stories, your Instagram highlights, your Instagram feed through lives, pinned posts, and collaborations with other creators. With this way, you're gonna start seeing your email list double, triple, or even quadruple. Let me remind you, Instagram is a very, very powerful lead generation tool. The more subscribers you have, the more money you will make in the long run. So if you don't want to stay poor on Instagram, you have to start building your email list. And if you learned something new today, please like this video, share it with your friends. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more social media tips for creators and entrepreneurs. And see you next time.